And it's the Cap 232 up in this 25 to now 30 mile an hour wind, maybe more. We had a good gust going here today. But as you can see, the planes handle these kind of winds with no problem at all.
No problem at all.
So don't be afeared.
I got completely blown out of my right knee. Well, okay, I'm giving it right and it's not moving.
Yeehaw! That's the 40 size Cap 232 with a 75 Magnum, I do believe, on it. Just kind of cut away to the windsock for a second. Where the hell is it? There it is. Oh no. Level her out, baby. And she's in. And it's another walk of shame yet today for the Tri-City Flyers. And the Tin Man is always good for a good filming of the walk of shame. As of the Waldo was a good walk of shamer this morning himself. Did the Cap survive the corn husks? It sure looks like it did. Are the landing gears on it?
Yeah, good to you, man.
Okay, looks like today's adventures are over. Walking a shame with your very own plane. It's just a crying blame. We're gonna hand launch. Here we go.